Alright, so this video is for Reem Newtone Productions. Well, he asked me to film my toilet at first, and I did that, but TM Brandish didn't really want me to upload the video. So, yeah, then he asked me to film my vintage 1945 Eskimo. So yeah. And if you haven't noticed yet, I'm also filming with a new camera. It's a Canon, and I tested it out on some air conditioners the other day, and it is a lot better than my GoPro for filming air conditioners. But I still will be using my GoPro for underwater videos. Like, I'll still be taking my GoPro out in the rain and stuff to film air conditioners. I thought about doing that the other day because it's been raining like all week. It's been like really rainy here and cold too, but no snow. Anyways, so let's go ahead and turn it on. It works really good. I haven't used it yet in 2018, but this isn't the first startup of it of 2018 because I've attempted to make this video, like, this is probably the 4th or 5th attempt. I keep messing up. But, and if anyone was wondering where I went, I just kind of wanted to take a little break from YouTube for a while so I could make some changes and stuff. Try and make my channel a little bit better. I got new editing software. It's the same software, it's just that I've been using for the past couple of years. It's just a newer version of it. So, yeah. And then I also added a new addition here to my room. I'm going to start collecting air conditioner nameplates. You can see I've already got this Goodman plate right here, which I ordered off the internet, and a Mana plate, which I also ordered off the internet. I unboxed both of these nameplates back in 2014, I believe. So yeah. But yeah, I haven't used my Eskimo since probably August. I do kind of get nervous to use it too much because it's so old and stuff. I just don't want to wear it out a lot. But yeah, let's get a startup sound now. See, my goal is to fill this whole windowsill with air conditioner nameplates. Alright, so let's get a startup sound now. Nice startup sound. So yeah, there's my vintage 1945 Eskimo oscillating fan, which the oscillating function again does not work on it, but it's still a really nice fan. But yeah, anyways, I guess over and out. And then I will go ahead and show my toilet in this video, I guess. I mean, it's nothing too fancy. It's original to the house, so it's from 2001. I'm pretty sure it's original to the house. Yeah, my camera lost focus, there we go. Something else I need to point out on this camera. The main reason that I got it is because it has a zoom. I wanted a camera with a zoom. So let's test the zoom. Wow. Look at that. It looks like we're right up by that light switch panel. And then also, so here is a video that I took on Monday, February 19th, of air conditioner. So this is about what what most of my videos of air conditioners will be like that I take with this camera.